the version of you that gets admitted shouldn't be the same version of you that enters the university. And this is the perfect opportunity for you to reinvent yourself. Because if you tend to wait, if you tend to postpone it to a later time, you will surely regret it. I know what I'm saying. And especially during this your periods of waiting for admission, this is a perfect opportunity. But this is a time that a lot of people tend to lose because they're either on social media, scrolling on Facebook aimlessly without a purpose. You understand? They are just at home, right? Not knowing that this period of you waiting for admission is a blessing and not a punishment. And it's going to be a blessing or a punishment depending on how you use it. And the thing is that the university, when you enter the university will challenge you. The university will challenge your mind. The university will challenge your belief system. The university will also challenge your focus. And this is the perfect opportunity while you are still waiting to enter the university. This is a perfect opportunity for you to build that muscle that will enable you have a stamina when you enter the university as of the time you will get your admission. If you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba, and I'm a 400 level student at the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I help students level up their academic game. I also share full tips on the channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to discuss with you why you need to reinvent yourself while waiting for admission. When I mean by reinvention, it simply means changing that version of you that you have been maybe in your Sunday school, that version you use in your Sunday school, the version you use while waiting till when you finally have money to enter the university. You need to change that version of you before you enter the university. And some of the reasons why you must change that identity or why you need to reinvent yourself is that it gives you an edge over your future classmates or your coursemate as per se, right? Because this waiting period, a lot of people tend to, like I said, underutilize it, especially for those people that just finish from Sunday school, you understand? Because they will soon be done with their WAEC after their JAMB, their WAEC, right? So they believe that this time that they are having while waiting for their admission is like their freedom, time, right? Not knowing that when you get to the university, that is when you have the university is where you have the most biggest freedom ever, right? So while a lot of people will be waiting for admission unprepared, they will be waiting for admission, like I said, yes. So like I said, it gives you an edge over your coursemate or your classmate. Is that when you finally get this admission and all of you start entering the university, some people will show up unprepared, right? Some people will show up lazy. Some people will show up clueless. They don't know what is happening. Like, they don't know how to start, right? So before they will even try to fit into the system to see how they can reboot themselves, it's already too late. While you already have an edge over them because you already use that period while waiting for admission to give yourself discipline. So when you're entering the university, you're already disciplined, you're already focused, and you already gain this confidence, and that is your superpower, right? When I entered the university, I didn't just enter as a JJC, right? Because I have an elder brother who is in the university, right? So he already gives me this orientation. He already told me what to expect. So I was not just going there clueless. I was the one even guiding my coursemate on what to do. And it gave me an edge, gave me popularity in my class, gave me popularity in my department. I was even the rookie of the year as of when I went for my departmental awards night. As a young student, that means I was really, really popular, you understand, in my class. And also, while reinventing yourself while waiting for admission, one of the second benefit is that it tends to give you an identity beyond school. That means you are not just limited within the school environment. That means you are not just tying your self-esteem or your self-worth to admission letters. You are not just tying your self-esteem to your school mark, like your CGPA, right? It makes you think ahead. That means instead of following your ambition to be thinking of, I fail or stuff like that, you're already thinking about, okay, what next after school? You understand? You're already thinking afar. You understand what I'm saying? But it gives you an edge. You're already thinking afar. So instead of just limiting yourself to the school environment, to your CGPA, to what is happening in the school, is that you, for now, you are already thinking afar. You are thinking about your future. You understand? You are not just asking about what course did I get. You are asking, okay, what do I want to do now? What do I want to be right now? You understand? So that is some of the benefit of reinventing yourself before entering the university. And the thing is that your future self will always thank you. You understand? Your future self will always thank you. Now imagine you are in the university already. All right. Imagine you're in the university already and you're already good at managing your time. That is number one. You are already reading your books. That is number two. You are improving your health. That is number three. You are speaking better and with skills that others are just starting to think about. You understand? You're already entering the university, you're already good at time management. You're entering the university, you're already good at public speaking. You're entering the university, you are good with skills, a lot of skills. It can be content creation, it can be videography, it can be video editing, it can be photography. And these are skills that other people are just starting to think about while you already have it in your year one, from your year one. Imagine the kind of edge you have over them, right? Your future self will always thank you. Your future self will always be appreciative on how you were able to protect it or how you were able to give it that edge over at least 99% of people, right? And you'll be asking me, how can I start my reinvention, right? How can I start doing just this stuff that you say we should do? Now, when it comes to reinvention, when it comes to building yourself, a lot of people will be thinking about money. Will say, I don't have money. Mommy, I don't have money for this thing this guy saying. Which one be reinvention? Invention involves money and stuff like that. The invention doesn't just revolve around money. It is not about money, and it doesn't need approval from your parents. It doesn't need approval from your father, like I say, your parent, right? It doesn't need approval from anybody. It is just you being intentional. It is just you saying, oh, this is what I want to do, and not just saying, oh, this is what I want to do. You are saying, this is what I want to do, and you are moving straight to it without wasting much time, right? So when it comes to reinvention simply involves intentionality. So instead of just waiting for approval from anybody, instead of you waiting to get all the money on earth, you can start something. And these are the various ways you can start it. Number one is that you have to audit your life. Auditioning, that means you have to be the auditor of your life. That means you have to sit down, probably look a day and sit down and start asking yourself basic questions about your life. Questions like, okay, what habit am I having right now that's keeping me stuck? You understand? That will affect me when I finally enter the university. These are basic questions that you are supposed to ask yourself. Understand? These are auditing questions. Secondly, is that what is my strength that I want to sharpen? What is that thing that I'm really good in that I want to be very good in again? Like, I'm already good in it, but I want to be better in it. Those are your strengths, and you have to work on it. Secondly, is that you start learning how to build your routine, your morning routine, your afternoon routine, and your evening routine. It can be, okay, your morning routine is waking up, journaling, reading, praying, and meditating, right? Your afternoon routine can be learning a skill. Like I say, learning a skill. There are a lot of skills, both digital and hard skills, soft skills and hard skills. It can be shoemaking, it can be website design, it can be programming, it can be anything, but just learn a skill in the afternoon. Then in the evening, it can be studying a topic or reflecting about a particular plan, reflecting about your life or working on a particular plan, trying to see how you can plan one or two stuffs like that, right? Those are routines that you can start building now, that even when you enter the university, you are not going to have issues trying to build such routines, right? And step 3, when it comes to this reinvention goal, you don't just need to overcrowd yourself, or you don't just, right? When I say yes, overcrowd, I'm correct, right? You don't need to just put yourself into much overthinking, right? Just choose one goal and be good in it, right? Do you want to become a confident communicator? Do you want to be a good programmer? Do you want to be a good copywriter? Do you want to be a good content creator? You understand? So instead of just saying, oh, I want to do content creation, I want to do photography, I want to start learning shoemaking, I want to be this, I want to be this. No. You are going to lose out. Just look for one particular skill and focus all your energy on it. You understand? And see how you can be good on it. And be good on it in just probably 6 months before entering the university. before getting the admission, use that period and be good in it before entering the university. Like I said, your future self will always thank you. Now, when it comes to reinvention, you must have a mindset, and that is what I call the reinvention mindset. Now, the reinvention mindset is not just you wanting to be like someone else, right? It is about you becoming the version of who you want to be without the noise of the world, without the approval of anybody, right? That is what it simply means. That's what I simply call reinvention. The ability for you to choose to be yourself, to be that person who you always dream of being, without the noise or without the approval of the world. And this particular this particular point in time is just that you won't just feel motivated, but when you look back, you will be proud that you didn't waste your time while waiting for a mission. So that is just it. This waiting period is either a blessing, like I said, or it's a curse, and it depends on what you do on it, right? So when the mission will finally come, you walk into that phase of life that you have always been dreaming of, with confidence, with discipline, and with a level of consistency that even in the university, you won't always feel tired or lazy to read your book. If you love this video and you wish to continue getting videos like this, you wish to continue watching videos like this, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share these videos to your friends so that they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. And are you starting your reinvention journey immediately? Drop it in the comment section. Just drop reinvention and we'll get to talk to see how you can become a better version of yourself. Until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.